Your skin is aging faster than it should, and the fix might already be sitting in your kitchen. Olive oil, one ingredient, applied at night. The results will genuinely surprise you. Stay with me because by the end of this, you'll never look at that little bottle the same way again. If you're new here, welcome to Health Decoded Science, where we break down real health science in a way that actually makes sense. Hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a video. Let's talk about what happens to your skin while you sleep. At night, your body goes into repair mode. Cells regenerate, collagen rebuilds, blood flow to the skin increases. Your skin is literally healing itself in the dark, and it's hungry for nutrients to do that job properly. This is exactly why what you put on your skin at night matters more than what you put on it in the morning. And olive oil? It shows up at exactly the right time. The moment you apply olive oil to your skin, something starts happening beneath the surface that most people don't know about. Olive oil is loaded with a compound called squalane. Your skin naturally produces squalane, but here's the problem. After your mid-20s, production drops fast. Squalane is what keeps your skin soft, elastic, and protected against environmental damage. Olive oil replenishes exactly what your body stops making enough of. That's not a beauty tip, that's biology. Now here's the part that blows most people's minds. Olive oil contains a natural compound called oleo. Scientists discovered that oleocanthal works similarly to ibuprofen inside the body. It reduces inflammation at a cellular level. When your skin is inflamed, it looks red, puffy, dull, and ages faster. Applying olive oil at night means you're calming that inflammation while you sleep. You're waking up to visibly less puffiness, calmer skin, a more even tone. And this isn't just surface level. There are 4 types of powerful antioxidants in olive oil, and each one plays a specific role in protecting your skin overnight. Vitamin E works by neutralizing free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that attack healthy skin cells and break down collagen. Every night, environmental pollution, UV exposure from the day, and even stress leave behind these damaging molecules on and inside your skin. Vitamin E in olive oil essentially hunts them down and deactivates them while you sleep. Polyphenols go deeper. These plant-based compounds protect your DNA at a cellular level. Damaged skin DNA is one of the core reasons skin ages prematurely and loses its ability to regenerate. Polyphenols in olive oil help interrupt that process. Oleic acid is the dominant fatty acid in olive oil, making up about 70 to 80% of its composition. Oleic acid has an unusual ability. It can actually penetrate the outer layer of skin and carry other nutrients deeper into the layers beneath. It doesn't just sit on top, it travels in, taking everything beneficial with it. Hydroxytyrosol is one of the most powerful found in any natural food. Research has shown it has the ability to fight oxidative stress at a level that even vitamin C and E can't match alone. Your skin, exposed all day to pollution, heat, and light, accumulates oxidative stress. Hydroxytyrosol works overnight to reverse that damage systematically. Let's talk about moisture, because this is where people misunderstand olive oil the most. Olive oil is not a moisturizer in the traditional sense. It doesn't add water to your skin. What it does is create an occlusive barrier, a thin, breathable seal over the skin surface that locks existing moisture in and prevents it from evaporating overnight. This process is called transepidermal water loss prevention. It sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. During the night, your skin naturally loses moisture to the air. Olive oil slows that loss dramatically. You wake up with skin that is genuinely, biologically more hydrated, not just surface soft, but deeply plump and nourished from within. For people dealing with dry skin or eczema, this is a bigger deal than it sounds. Olive oil strengthens something called the skin barrier, the outermost protective layer of your skin made up of cells and lipids. When the skin barrier is compromised, moisture escapes easily. Irritants get in, and skin becomes reactive, dry, and inflamed. The fatty acids in olive oil, particularly oleic acid and linoleic acid, help rebuild the structural integrity of that barrier over time. You won't feel it after one night. But within a few weeks of consistent use, the difference in skin resilience and texture is measurable. Now let's get specific about what this actually does to your face over time. Fine lines around the eyes and mouth form, partly because the skin in those areas loses elasticity and becomes dehydrated. Olive oil applied to those areas at night delivers concentrated antioxidants and fatty acids directly to where collagen breakdown is happening. The result, over consistent use, is softer, more supple skin in exactly those high movement zones. Dark spots are another area where olive oil quietly does impressive work. Hydroxytyrosol and polyphenols in olive oil have shown the ability to mildly inhibit the overproduction of melanin, the pigment responsible for dark spots and uneven skin tone. This doesn't happen overnight, but over weeks and months, people applying olive oil consistently often notice a gradual evening of their complexion, skin texture. The roughness you feel when you run your fingers across your cheeks or forehead is directly tied to cell turnover and surface hydration. Olive oil accelerates cellular repair because it delivers nutrients during the peak window of skin regeneration. The skin you wake up with is genuinely newer, smoother skin because the regeneration process was better supported. There's also something happening at the hormonal and internal level that most people overlook. The act of massaging olive oil into your skin at night stimulates lymphatic drainage. Your lymphatic system is responsible for removing waste and toxins from tissues. Gentle facial massage during application moves lymphatic fluid, reduces puffiness, and helps skin look more defined and clear in the morning. Beyond that, the ritual itself matters. Consistent nighttime skincare rituals have been shown in behavioral research to reduce cortisol, your stress hormone. Lower cortisol at night means better sleep quality, and better sleep quality is, genuinely, one of the most powerful anti-aging tools that exists. So the habit of applying olive oil compounds on itself. It helps you sleep better, and better sleep helps your skin regenerate more effectively. It's a cycle that works in your favor. Here's how to actually do this correctly. Start with clean skin. Wash your face and make sure it's still slightly damp, not dripping wet, just not fully dry. Damp skin absorbs olive oil faster and more evenly. Use a small amount. A few drops is enough. Warm it between your palms first so it spreads easily. Apply it in upward circular motions. Start from your jawline and work upward. This direction goes against gravity and supports the natural lift of facial tissues. Don't forget your neck. Your neck ages at the same rate as your face, but people almost always ignore it. A few drops massaged into the neck and décolletage area overnight makes a real long-term difference. Let it absorb for about 10 minutes before you put your head on the pillow. You don't need to wipe it off, it will absorb. But if your skin is on the oilier side, you can blot very lightly with the tissue after application. Use it 3 to 4 nights a week rather than every single night. This gives your skin breathing room and prevents any potential congestion, especially around the nose and chin. Now, which olive oil actually works? This matters more than people realize. Extra virgin olive oil. That's the only grade you want for your skin. Not refined olive oil, not light olive oil. Extra virgin, cold pressed, ideally in a dark glass bottle. Here's why. Refined olive oil has been processed with heat and chemicals that destroy most of the antioxidants and beneficial compounds. Light olive oil has been filtered and stripped of polyphenols. You're left with mostly just fat, which is fine, but you're losing most of the actual therapeutic value. Extra virgin olive oil is made by crushing olives mechanically without heat, preserving the full spectrum of antioxidants, polyphenols, and vitamins. The dark bottle protects those compounds from oxidative degradation from light exposure. Check the label. Look for a harvest date within the last 18 months. Older olive oil has degraded antioxidant content. This is a small detail that makes a meaningful difference in effectiveness. Let's address the question a lot of people have. What about people with oily or acne-prone skin? Olive oil has a comedogenic rating of 2 on a scale of 0 to 5. That means it has a low to moderate tendency to clog pores, lower than coconut oil, which sits at a 4. For most skin types, including combination skin, it's generally fine when used in small amounts. That said, everyone's skin is individual. If you're highly acne-prone, start with a patch test. Apply a small amount to your jawline area for 3 consecutive nights and monitor your skin's response before applying it to your full face. One approach that works well for oily and acne-prone skin is mixing 2 drops of olive oil with 2 drops of jojoba oil. Jojoba is technically a wax, not an oil, and it's non-comedogenic with a rating of 2. The combination delivers the benefits of olive oil without the heavier, occlusive feel on oilier skin types. Here's a comparison that will put everything in perspective. High-end anti-aging night creams often sell for anywhere between $80 and $300. Many of them list their active ingredients as squalane, vitamin E, polyphenols, and oleic acid. You now know where all of those come from. They are derived from or synthetically replicate what exists naturally in extra virgin olive oil. A quality bottle of extra virgin olive oil costs a fraction of that price, contains those compounds in their natural, bioavailable form, and has thousands of years of use behind it. Ancient Greeks called olive oil liquid gold, and they used it on their skin, hair, and bodies systematically. Mediterranean populations who have historically consumed and applied olive oil as a cultural staple consistently show some of the lowest rates of skin cancer and age-related skin degradation globally. That's not coincidence. That's a pattern that modern science has spent decades confirming. One final thing. Everything in your body is connected. What you apply to your skin absorbs into it. What you eat affects how your skin behaves. The best version of this practice combines applying olive oil topically at night with including olive oil in your diet. Consumed internally, olive oil's olea reduces systemic inflammation. Its polyphenols protect cellular DNA throughout your entire body, not just your skin. Its monounsaturated fats support healthy hormone production, which directly impacts skin clarity and radiance. The people who look younger than their age, who have genuinely healthy skin well into their 50s, 60s, and beyond, they're almost always doing both. They're not just using topical products, they're eating in a way that supports their skin from the inside out. Olive oil is one of the rare things that works on both fronts simultaneously. So tonight, when you're ready to sleep, try this. A few drops of extra virgin olive oil, warm it in your palms, massage it in gently. Let your skin do what it was designed to do in the dark: repair, regenerate, and rebuild. You've been sleeping every night anyway. You might as well make those hours work harder for you. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe to Health Decoded Science for more videos like this: real science. No fluff, just the stuff that actually matters for your health. See you in the next one.